Okay, so we are just over a week away from Valentine's Day. And if you're looking to make maybe a special meal at home for your loved one on the special day, we are pretty excited to have Chef Cody Cheetham. Did I pronounce that right, Cody?
You did.
There you go. From Tavernetta, all the way from Denver, Colorado. You came here specifically for this segment to help us out, to get everybody ready for Valentine's Day. So welcome to Hamilton. Welcome to Canada. Is your first time in the country?
My first time in the country.
Awesome.
Very exciting.
So what brings you?
Just talking about Colorado and Denver and the food scene.
What's it like there as far as food goes?
Food scene is kind of on the rapid increase.
Yeah.
It's growing a lot. There's 400 plus craft breweries. We
Yeah.
have Michelin status as of 2023.
No way.
So that the Michelin guy just came to Denver.
How nerve-wracking is that?
It was a stressful year when they announced that they were coming. We were all biting our nails.
Yeah, well,
so.
good for you guys. It's great to have you here because I know many people that have been to Colorado, been to Denver, and could not say more kind things about the city. So what are we making today? Because we're kind of educating anybody at home. If you want to kind of surprise or maybe make the meal together, what are you putting together for us?
So today we are going to do a braised lamb sugo with pappardelle pasta and pecorino romano, and then we're going to finish that off with a strawberry tiramisu, which is going to set the Valentine's Day mood
Nice.
perfectly.
So we've got the pasta. It's boiling. You already boiled some pasta. So where's the sugo?
So we have that in the oven finishing the braise.
We
so
want to
we'll
get
pull
it.
that out.
We want to get it now, just to
Absolutely.
bring that out. This is don't use your hands on this because this is mighty hot. This is a functioning oven. So what's all? Let's bring that down so we can show everybody. What's all in there, Chef?
So with this we have Colorado is known for their lamb, so we're kind of highlighting that.
Can we set it right here so we can get
Sure.
the overhead shot actually of it?
Absolutely.
Right there. Set it right there.
So what we have in here is kind of your classic meat-based pasta sauce. So we have lamb, your standard mirepoix. So we have carrot, celery, onion,
Right.
a little garlic, tomatoes, Chianti wine, and
Nice.
give that a stir. Get those
just a little stir. Oh, nice.
smells going.
What's the process? How long does this take?
So it's about 2 hours of cooking time, but a lot of
Yeah.
that is going to be just in your oven braising.
Really? Yeah. So
Yeah,
a lot of
so
braising.
a lot of inactive time.
Okay, so let's put this together. Just make sure.
all right.
Can I dump that in there?
Yeah, we'll actually put that right in here,
Oh, dump
and
that
then
in there, okay.
get a little bit of our saucy action here.
So you dump the sauce in there.
Yep,
I wanna help
put
you
a
out
little
here.
of that in there.
Let me be your Sue here, Chef.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now Tavernetta in Denver. What do you guys specialize in?
So we are a regional Italian restaurant specializing in handmade pastas, and we have an all-Italian wine list, and so we just do all the regions of Italy. So we have everything from Italy shaped like a boot, so everything from
Yeah.
the toe to the top.
Amazing. What's the pasta you're using there?
So this is pappardelle,
Pappardelle.
which is a nice flat, wide noodle that I like for meat ragouts like this. But you could use
You can use
anything. Pick your pasta.
Pappardelle is a little bit different. Like you get penne a lot, and you get spaghetti a lot, but it's a kind of a nice meatier noodle. You want to throw that in the bowl so we can
let's do that, and then
get to the dessert as well.
Get you to put some cheese on there.
Oh, nice, right here.
Yep, that's our pecorino romano, which is something that pairs wonderfully with lamb.
Nice. So you got the mise en place already set up here that you kind of prep ahead of time that you can
Yep,
kind of
that's
do
kind of-
together as a couple.
Yeah, you can do all your knife work, and if you don't want to do all the cutting like that, you could definitely just do that in your food processor, and it'll be wonderful.
All right. So we got 90 seconds. So there's the main course. Let's get to the dessert because this is something special.
Yeah, everybody
too,
loves
Chef.
dessert, right?
Can I get this for you?
Absolutely.
Oh, look at that. That is the strawberry
tiramisu.
tiramisu.
So, exactly like you would do a normal tiramisu, we have mascarpone cheese, ladyfinger cookies that we've soaked in a little bit of strawberry liqueur that's been sweetened with some strawberry jam. Mascarpone is just also seasoned with a little strawberry liqueur. So
Is it ready to go?
Yeah.
Is there anything else we need to do to it?
We'll scoop it right out, and then we should be able to just serve that, and then we'll put some strawberries fresh on the side, and then
Oh, we're putting it
good to
over
go.
there. There we
Yeah, right on that.
Nice. Let me get I gotta get a spoon here. I want to try this, Chef. Okay, so you're doing a little tour through the area?
We are
to promote.
Yep, we're in Montreal
Oh no way!
tomorrow.
Oh, that's another great place for cuisine too, Chef.
I'm very excited.
Okay, so you can go to the website colorado.com. You can follow them on all the social medias to see what is happening in Colorado. This is it's great to have Chef Cody Cheetham from Tavernetta in Denver. And here's some great ideas. Can we find these recipes anywhere?
Yeah, they should all be on your website.
On our website. So we'll hook it up with chch.com to connect all these wonderful recipes like this tiramisu. Awesome, Chef.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much.
One Morning Live on your Tuesday, right after this.